Welcome students. As you know, we are discussing dimensional analysis and our next topic is combination of error. Make the point, this is very important point, combination of error. Combination of errors. Okay. So first see the meaning of combination of error. It means you better know combination will be more than one error is getting combined there and we are getting the resultant error. Okay. Let's suppose you are given resistance R1 and R2. There is error in R1. There is error in R2 and I ask go and combine them in series. You better know RA is equal to what? R1 plus R2. This is the series combination. If error in R1 and error in R2, its combined effect will go through R. This is called combination of error in addition. There are 5 types combination of error: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and in power. First I will give the rough idea for all them. Two resistances are R1 and R2. Let's suppose there is an error in R1, there is error in R2. When we add them, no doubt we will get the combined effect of R1 and R2 into series combination. This will called combination of error in addition, as well as in same condition this is also called combination of error in subtraction. Both answer will be same. What formula is there for addition? Same formula for subtraction. Okay. Let's suppose you are given area. Area is equal to length into what? Width. If there is a error in length, there is a error in what? Width. So combined effect of length into width will go or create the error in area. This is called combination of error in multiplication. Third point, this will called combination of error because L multiply by B. This will called combination of error in multiplication. First I am giving you a rough idea. Don't go through the formula. I will tell the formula, what formula you will use. Let us suppose velocity is equal to displacement upon time is given to you. There is a error in displacement, there is a error in time, then combined effect of distance and time will create the big error in what? Velocity. So this is called combination of error in division. Note down the point. That was error, combination of error in addition and subtraction. This is the combination of error in multiplication, and this is the combination of error in what? Division, because D upon T we are getting, there is error in D, there is error in T. So combined effect will create the error in what? V for velocity. This will be called combination of error in what? Volume. Okay, velocity. Okay, last point. Let's suppose the volume of any spherical body is given 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, it will be no error because 4 upon 3 pi remains constant. If there is a error in radius, there is a small error in radius, then its power is 3. So its combined effect will be create the big error in volume. This is called error in what? Power. So we are getting how many conditions? 5 conditions. Combination of error in addition, combination of error in subtraction, combination of error in multiplication, combination of error in division, and combination of error in power. Okay, are you getting? So this is the meaning of combination of error. Now we will go through the formula one by one. Okay. So first point, combination of error in addition. Combination of error in addition. Okay. So let's suppose Z is equal to A plus B. See there, A and B are any physical quantity and we add them, we are getting Z. Here no error in A, no error in B, so it combined effect will be Z. Z is the combination of A and B. Since A and B are errorless, so there is no reason to error in Z. If there is an error in A, so it become A plus minus del A. Now error del A, you better know, this is the absolute error, it creates the error in A. Plus B could written B plus minus what? Del B. So there will be error in Z, so it will be Z plus minus what? Del Z. Okay. Now solve them. Z plus minus del Z is equal to A plus B, A plus B, and plus minus is common. Inside del A plus del b. A plus b plus minus is common. Here del a plus del b. We are getting z is equal to ab. Z is equal to ab will cancel out. Here we are getting 4 probabilities. You see there, plus plus, both are plus, plus minus plus minus, minus plus and minus minus. But we are thinking about big error or most probable error. So when error will be maximum, you better know. We are getting 4 conditions and we have to select only one condition. So let's suppose your values are given 2 and 3. When it will be more? We are taking 2 plus 3, 2 minus 3, minus 2 plus 3. This formula using minus 2 minus 3. So you should know that it is the maximum error. It will create the maximum error. So we are thinking about maximum error. So what is the condition for maximum error? If both are positive, so its answer will be del z is equal to del a plus what? Del b. So this is the formula for, or this is the formula for combination of error in addition. Note down the point. This is the formula for combination of error in addition. Today I will tell the formula. Next day we will solve some numericals problem on it. Okay. Second, in subtraction. And in subtraction, its formula will be z is equal to what? A minus b. So its formula z plus minus del z is equal to, here it will be a minus b, but inside plus minus it will be del a plus del b, because we are getting 4 condition and this is the most probable error. So if we will get the answer z plus minus del z is equal to a minus b, you will get here a minus b, while inside del a plus del b. This is the formula for combination of error in what? Subtraction. Okay. When we put some examples, you can better understand what will be its answer. Okay. Next point, combination of error in multiplication. Third condition. Multiplication. Let's suppose formula is z is equal to a into b. That formula is given to you. A multiplied by b. So it could be written as del z upon z is equal to, this is the formula, del z, del means this is the error, this is the real value, is equal to del a upon a plus del b upon b. This is the formula for error in multiplication. Note down the formula. Here not multiply, here it will be plus. We can derive it formula different way, but no need to derive. We are going to directly use the formula. So z is equal to a into b could be written as del z upon z is equal to del a upon del a, del a upon a plus b could be written as del b upon b. Here we are taking plus. Similarly, in division, fourth formula, in division, formula z is equal to, if you are given a divided by b, if you are given as like velocity is equal to displacement upon time, what formula you will use? Directly you will use the formula del z upon z is equal to, del z upon z is equal to del a upon a plus again del b upon b. This is the formula for division. You can see there the formula for multiplication and division is same. They are treated equally. This is the formula z. Let us suppose any quantity is given. Z is any result of a and b. When you divide a and b, you are getting z. So there is a error. Del z is the error upon z is equal to del a upon a plus del b upon b. Okay. Last point, error in power. Error in power. This is the fifth one. Let's suppose it is given z is equal to a whole power n. This is the power. So we can write its formula del z upon z is equal to n. N will come down. Del a upon a. This is the formula for error in power. Directly we can write the formula. Del z upon z is equal to n. Del a upon a. This is the formula for error in power. Are you getting? So this is all about your combination of error and their formula. Now we will do one numerical here. First see here, if any quantity is written, let's suppose any quantity is x and it is written as 1%. What it means? It means it could be there is an error of 1 in out of 100, or it could be written as like 100 plus minus 1, both is same. It will be x and it will be del x. So it could be written as x plus minus del x is equal to 100 or 1%, or it could be written as 100 plus minus 1. It means there is a error in 1 out of what? 100. Okay, so this is the meaning. So there are two ways by which we can write this: 1% or 100 plus minus 1, both is the same answer. Now one more question I will define here. Let's suppose any physical quantity P is equal to a square b cube upon under root c into d. This is the competitive question. Let's suppose any physical quantity depends on a, b, c, d as like this, and there is error a is equal to 1%. 1% means 100 plus minus 1. B is equal to 2%, C is equal to 4%, and D is equal to 3%. These are the error in A, B, C, D. So combined effect of A, B, C, D will go in error of P. Very, very important. There is error in A, B, C, D. So combined effect of all these error will go on error in P. So this is, therefore, three topics will cover here. They are in multiplication, they are in division, as well as they are in power. So three questions already solved by that example. First we form the formula for this one. So what a formula? P del P upon P is equal to P could you better know Z is equal to del Z upon Z. So P is written del P upon P is equal to what? A square. You better know. A power n is equal to n del A upon A. Just write out. So it will be 2 del A upon A. A square could be written as by this formula. Here multiplication, you better know multiplication go in plus B cube. 3 del B upon B. Division also go in plus, you better know formula for multiplication and division is same. So this is the division. Root C 1 upon 2 power is 1 by 2, so it will be n, so it will be 1 by 2. What we get? Del C upon C, and again plus division will go in plus. D could be written as del D upon D. This is the main point. This is the formula manufacturing of the given quantity. Once again, P del P upon P is equal to A square, 2 del A upon A, into means plus 3 del B upon B, division means plus 1 upon 2 del C upon C, and again division will plus del D upon D. Now we put the values for this. Del P upon P is equal to 2 into del A. What are del A? 1 upon A. A is what? 100 out of 100. Plus 3 into 2 upon 100 plus 1 upon 2 into C, del C, what are del C? 4 upon 100 plus del D, 3 upon what? 100. Percentage error, multiply by what? 100. 100 will cancel out. We will get 2 plus 2 3s are 6 plus 2 2s are 4, 2 plus 3. We will get 6, 4, 10 and 3. 13%. So there is an error in P is equal to how much percent? 13%. This is called combination of error in multiplication, division as well as in power. Okay, that's all for today.